Three promoted queens in Game 1 and brilliant sacrifice captured in Game 2 within quarterfinals with winners bracket the American Cup 2026. So location from pictures here within St. Louis Chess Club in St. Louis, United States of America. So look at the place, is very wonderful here. So in this quarterfinals with winners bracket here within Americans Cup and also have a between with International Master in USA is Alice Lee. Faces versus Woman International Master in USA is Rachel Lee. So what do you think about the two mating nets? So loss of this one with WIM and the winner from proceed with semifinals. So what do you think about the study of this chess games here? So let's study of this play games here. White pieces with IM Alice Lee in USA and black pieces in WIM Rachel Lee in USA. So two games analyzed within 1 hour 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment with round robin with outstandings of quarterfinals by winners bracket with American Cup 2026. So white plays Alice is D4, Knight F6 by Rachel Lee, C4, E6 is Indian, and also Pawn G3 with upcoming by next Bishop G2 with Alice Lee here. And also Pawn D5 with Rachel Lee with that attacks the Pawn C4. And also Bishop G2 with Alice Lee without more diagonals with pins with rooks with more light square here by Fianchetto's attacks. And Rachel Lee is captured by Queen's Gambit decline accepted. And also Knight F3 with Alice without without upcoming by with next playing castling kingside here. And also Bishop B4 check with Rachel Lee. And also Bishop D2, it is called by this one with openings with Queen's Gambit decline Catalan opening. So this is a opening by this one with openings with Bishop with check. And also Pawn A5 with Rachel Lee. And also Queen C1. And also without captured with Rachel Lee is Bishop captured D2 with check. Queen takes captured with Bishop. And also Pawn to B5 with Rachel Lee. So this is a third by 3 connected pass pawn. So this is a more of this 3 connected triple. So it means without next by this one with Pawn A4, Pawn B4, and because this is a 2 connected pass pawn here. And also with A4 with Alice Lee with that attacks the pawns. And push semi-close with Rachel Lee is Pawn to B4 here because this is a push. And also Knight E5 with Alice Lee here without next by this one with free pawns here with attacks the pawns here. And also Rook A7. So this is a novelty with Rachel Lee of this positional of this game. So this is the old main lines here with recording database is Knight to D5 here. So Knight D5 is a old main lines here. So it means without second is Rook A7 novelty without this book line with Rachel Lee here. And Alice Lee is Knight captured pawns here because this is a free pawns. And symbolize castling kingside with Rachel Lee, castling with Alice Lee, and also Queen E7. So this is a given bad move with Rachel Lee. It is computer engine here. So the best moves there is Pawn to C6 here. Pawn C6 is a once of this computer engine. So according this one, so this is a good slightly better for blacks. So Queen E7 by Rachel Lee, and without moving by Alice Lee is Rook to C1. So Rook C1 with movement with Alice Lee here. And also Rook D8 with Rachel Lee. So this is a more controls with Rook D5 with pins with queens. So this is a more of this one positional. And also Queen F4 with Alice Lee. And also Bishop A6. So it means so if you knight before knight captured pawn, so it means this is a bishop continues with captured with pawns here. Because this is a more positional openings here. So these are interesting by solid. And without captured with Alice is knight takes A5, bishop takes E2 with Rachel Lee, and also knight B7 with Alice. Without knight B7, without idea with threatening the tempos attacks the rooks here. And Rachel Lee is Rook C8 here without avoiding. And also Knight to D2 with Alice. So without 4 types of this maneuver with next by Knight to B3, second by Knight to C4, and third by knight to f3, and fourth is knight to e4. So this is a next positional by maneuver here. And without moving by Rachel Lee is pawn to c6, because this is a opening with queens, without the queens, without threatening the tempos attacks the knights here. And avoiding with Alice Lee is knight backward c5, and also knight a6 without attacks the knights, knight captured, rook takes captured, and also knight e4 with Alice. Without idea, without threatening the attacks the knights, and moving by maneuver is knight to c5 without threatening the counters attacks the rooks here. And also knight d7 with avoiding with Rachel Lee. So I will explain, for example, sir, why don't we knight captured? It is okay by knight takes e4. And queen captured knight, threatening the bishop. So without threats the bishop, and without backwards bishop h5. So this is a more controls with good explained for examples here. So it means without avoiding with Rachel Lee is knight d7 here, and also knight c5, good precise by interesting by with Alice Lee without attacks the knights here or without threatening the rooks. So this is a tempos attacks, and knight takes captured with Rachel Lee, and also d takes c5, and also queen b7. So this is a more defending of this one with pawns. So it means, so if you cannot move up this one with movement with queen, so it means with this is a queen captured free pawns here. So this is a more interesting by positional. And also queen e4 with Alice, and also bishop backwards h5. Why? Because the queen e4 with Alice without threats the bishop here. So this is a attacks the tempos attacks here. And also without movement by Rachel Lee is bishop h5 here with Rachel Lee, and also rook c4. So cannot done with Alice Lee. So this is a rook without threatening the with pawns here, with threats the pawns with threatening the queens here. So this is a more continuations here. And also without moving with Rachel Lee is queen a7. Why? Because if you movement by queen a7 with Rachel Lee, so it means rook continues with rook captured pawns here. And also without queen e5 with Alice, so it means, so why don't we rook captured pawns? So it is okay by rook takes b4, and also rook b8 without challenge rook to rook. If your rook takes accepted, queen takes accepted with threatening the pawns, and also rook a2. So this is a more interesting by examples here. So queen e5 with Alice Lee here, and also bishop g6 with Rachel Lee, rook captured free pawns, and also pawn h6. So this is a more positional interesting here. And also pawn b3 with Alice, and also rook a5 with Rachel, without rook, without threats the pawns with pins without queens here. So this is a more tempos attacks with targets. Defending rook c1 with Alice, and also queen e7. So this is a more positional here. And also rook b8, challenged by rook to rook, without challenge by rook to rook, and without pins with check. So this is a covering with check here. In accept by Rachel, rook takes accepted, queen takes captured with check, and also king h7 with Rachel. And also queen b6 with Alice. So without queens, without threatening the rooks, and without pawns, without threatening double. So double attacks the pawns here, double attacks. And also rook a8 with backwards with Rachel Lee, queen takes capture without attacks the rooks, rook d8 with Rachel, pawn a5 without almost. So it means cannot move from this one with promote. So this is a targets the queens and rook. So this is a target here. And also queen g5 with Rachel Lee here, or maybe without queens, without plannings with Rachel Lee with tempos attacks the rooks here. And Alice is rook f1 ignorance by Alice Lee, and also rook d2 with Rachel Lee, without idea with rook b2 with more controls with attacks the pawns here with Rachel. And Alice is pawn to a6 without almost by this one with promotes with second queen here. And also rook a2. So this is a more of this one with attacks the pawns here. And also bishop e4 with a challenge by like square with fianchettos with bishop to bishop. And also f5 with threatening the bishop. So explain for example, so why don't we bishop captured? It is okay. Bishop takes e4 and also queen takes bishop with check. And hide and seek is king to g8. So this is a positional. So if you before with rook captured pawn, so this is a more of this one with controls with upcoming by promotes the queens here. So it means, so back there this one is f5 with Rachel Lee with the attacks the bishop, and bishop b1 backwards with Alice Lee with a threatening the rook, with a threatening the rooks here, and moving by Rachel avoiding by rook a1. Because the next of this maneuver with Rachel is queen to d2 with next of this one with queen b2. So this is a next move here. Queen b7 without defensive by this one with pawns here. Queen d2, good, strong, precise by WIM Rachel Lee without next by queen b2. So queen b2 here. And also with c6 almost by this one with upcoming by with second by queens with Alice Lee here. And also queen b2 with Rachel Lee without attacks the with first rook without attacks the bishop here. So this is a dangerous for whites. And also c7 with Alice. Oh my god, upcoming by with promotes with second queen with Alice Lee. And Rachel Lee is rook captured bishop with queens with a threatening the pawns. So with the threats the pawns here. And also without second by c8 queen promotes. So second queen. And also by next by this one with third by queens here. So 22 minutes by Alice Lee and 2 minutes plus 14 seconds with Rachel Lee. So this is a more black with dying seconds. Almost by this one by slowly by concentrations here. And with that f4 with sacrifice with Rachel Lee here. Or maybe with a sacrifice here. And also queen c4 without defense, or maybe without defense with queen threats the pawns here. Without threatening the pawns. And also with e5 with Rachel without defense the pawns. And also a7 with a perfect with Alice Lee without next by with third queens here. Almost by the 3 promotes queen here. And also e4 with Rachel Lee and promoted by third is a8 queen. So this is a 3 promote queens with Alice Lee. So this is a 3 queens here. And also e3 without attacks the pawns. And the last from this finishing move with upcoming by checkmate is queen cg8 mating net. So it means mating net, so it means loss from blacks here with Rachel. So the score with Alice Lee 94.5 and 83.2 with Rachel Lee. So next up this one with second game with game number 2 with quarterfinals with winners bracket. So next proceed of this game number 2. Okay, game number 2 here with quarterfinals with winners bracket. So white pieces with WIM Rachel Lee and black pieces in International Master Alice Lee in USA. So it means game number 2. So who was the win of this one? We proceed from the semifinals. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after game number 2 in quarterfinals here. So e4 by Rachel Lee, c5 by Alice Lee without Sicilian defense. Knight c3 close Sicilian defense, knight c6 traditional lines, and also knight ge2 with Rachel Lee, knight f6 with Alice, and also pawn g3 by next by bishop g2 with Rachel Lee here, and also wait, pawn to d5. So pawn d5 with Alice Lee, takes with Rachel, and also knight d4 strong move with Alice without attacks the knight. So it means I will explain here for example. So in the warning with 1, in the warning, do not capture knight captured here. Knight takes d5. If you knight takes here and queen takes knight, so traps the rooks. So this is a traps. So it means with with threats the rooks and rook g1. So rook g1. It was okay by rook g1. So this is a good precise here. So this is a examples. So more of this one is interesting here. So it means knight d4 with Alice without attacks the knights, and without captured with Rachel, knight takes d4, so does not like of this captured with Rachel Lee here. So it means that the best move this one is bishop g2 here. So if you bishop g4 here with blacks here and symbolize castling kingside, so this is a good slightly better for whites here. So it means back there with Rachel is knight takes d4 here, and without captured with Alice, and also knight b5 with attacks the pawns here. So it means this is interesting move with Rachel Lee, and also a6 with Alice without attacks the knights, knight takes captured with Rachel, and without excelente is e5 with Alice, good move without attacks the knights, and with queen e2. So for example, so if you emphasize captured, so it means do not emphasize captured d takes e6, and without queen captured, so one piece down with knights. If you e takes f7 with check, and also with it is okay by captured, king takes captured here f7. So this is a examples here. Without move by Rachel is queen e2. So it means do not buy captured with knight, so it means this is a queens with kings with check. So this is a more interesting here. So it means so do not capture with pawn captured knight. And without Alice is bishop e7 here without upcoming by playing castling. Without playing castling kingside, and Rachel Lee is knight to b3. Good interesting move with positional here by Rachel Lee. And also queen takes captured pawns with Alice without more of this interesting with threats the rooks here. With threatening the rooks, and also with good move by Rachel is f3. So this is a excelente. Bishop f5. So this is a does not belongs of the book lines novelty with Lee here. So this is the old main lines here by symbolize castling inside here. So castling is a old main line. So without second, the novelty is bishop f5. Lee is a novelty. So Alice Lee here. And without movement is another excelente with Rachel is d3. So another excelente here. Rook c8 with Alice Lee without threatening the pawns. So without threats the pawns, and also bishop e3. So this is a good interesting by Rachel. And also queen c6. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine with Alice Lee. So the best move is pawn to a5. So pawn a5 is a good interesting move. So this is a according this one by computer engine. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So it means queen c6 with Alice, rook c1 with Rachel defends the pawns, knight d5 with Alice without threatening the bishop, and next maneuver is knight to b4 without knight b4 here. And also with backwards with bishop d2, ignorance here by Rachel Lee, and also castling kingside with Alice, and also bishop g2. Good move by Rachel Lee. So this is a good interesting here. Knight b4, another interesting move by Alice without attacks the pawns here. So this is a threats the pawns. Bishop takes captured, bishop captured with check, king f2. So I thought the normalized here by king f2, so that's not accepted by computer engine with Rachel Lee. So very bad here. So the best move there is c3 here. So c3 is a threatening the bishop here. So if you bishop up backwards, d6 here, and symbolize castling kingside. So this is a symbolized here by easy move here. So this is a good slightly better for whites. So it means king f2 with Rachel Lee, bishop e6. So this is a wrong move with Alice Lee. So that's not like. So the best move is rook to f e8. So this is a good interesting move here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So bishop e6 with Alice Lee attacks the with threatening the knights here. So this is a more interesting by knights. And also c4, so this is a bad move with Rachel. So the best move this one is c3 again. What happened? The mismove with Rachel Lee here. So this is a good interesting good for whites here. So c4 with Rachel Lee. Queen a4 attacks the pawns here. So without threats the pawns here. And also with Queen c2 without defense the knights, another bad move with Rachel Lee. So the best move this one is rook hd1 here. So this is a rook pairs here. So this is a more controls by ones of this computer here. So this is a good slightly better for advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is Queen c2, another second bad move with Rachel Lee. And excelente with Alice Lee is pawn to b5 attacks the pawns. Bishop f1 with Rachel. Rook c7 with that upcoming by battery. So this is a mistake move. So does not like of this computer engine with Alice Lee. So the best move is with a currency move is bishop to f5. So this is a more pins with queens. So this is according this one by computer engine. So this is a goods for blacks. So it means so back there this one is rook c7 with Alice Lee without next by battery here. And also with bishop e2 with Rachel Lee here. Battery rook fc8 with Alice Lee. Rook hd1. Look at the Rachel Lee. So this is a good precise. So this is a late move here. Bishop f5, good interesting by Alice Lee. So this is a more controls here. And also knight d2, good move, excelente with Rachel Lee. By next up this one with knight to e4. So without knight e4, so it means this is a queen's challenge by openings with queen to queen. Without openings by queen to queen here. And without avoiding with ignorance by Alice queen a5. So it means if you queen captured, why don't we try queen takes c2 and rook captured queen. So this is a more interesting. So if you bishop captured, knights, rook captured. So this is a good interesting here. Without ignorance by queen a5 with Alice Lee. And pawn to a3 below evaluation bar blunderations with Rachel Lee. So this is a double question mark. So this is a red square root here. So does not like of this computer engine. So the BC of this easy move. So with that easy accuracy move, the best is knight to e4, not pawn to a3. So knight e4. So what a miss her move with Rachel Lee. So if you bishop captured knight and f takes captured bishop. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So after a3 blunderations with Rachel Lee, so the first puzzle, what do you think about the second game with game number 2, Finding Brilliant captured with Alice Lee with International Master here. So first guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The perfect shot with Alice captured. B takes c4. Good perfect shot. Brilliant captured with Alice Lee. So this is a more perfect shot by positional moves here. And without Rachel Lee is captured with bishop. So one piece down with Alice here. And also backwards. Good move by b6 with check here with Alice. King g2 with Rachel. Capture this pawn. So this is a double attacks. With the double attacks with threatening and rooks without threats the queen. So this is a threatening here. And without Rachel is queen a4. Avoided here. And without captured one piece down. Attacks the rook. So this is a attacks the rooks here. Rook takes accepted, queen takes, and also rook e1 attacks the pawns, bishop d3 with the defense the pawns, knight e4, bishop captured with knight takes, and also queen c4 with Alice Lee with a threatening the pawns with check. So this is a check here. So if you queen captured, so it means with check, so it means check here. So this is a good, interesting, solid. And queen d7. So queen d7 with Rachel Lee. And without queen takes captured with check with Alice, king f2 and also rook b8. This is a positional moves with Alice Lee with rook threats the pawns here. So threats the pawns and queen threats the pawns here. So this is a more of this double of this one with counters here. Rook captured with Rachel. With that idea with threats the queens. With threats the queens and pinning the pawns. So this is a attacks with double. Queen takes b4 with Alice. Rook takes with Rachel. Without attacks, without next bite, rook to e8 with check. So this is a check here. And also, queen takes b2 with check. Rook e2 backwards with Rachel without threatening the queens. Queen b6 check. King g2 g6. With a g6 here, rook e8 check with Rachel, inaccept by Alice, rook takes, queen takes with check, king g7, and also queen e5 check, queen f6 with a challenge by queen to queen, ignorance by Rachel. So it means if your queen takes accepted and king captured. So this is a good examples here. So it means without ignorance by avoided with Rachel is queen a5. Queen b2 check with Alice, king h3, queen f6, and also king g2 again with Rachel Lee, queen c6 check, king h3 again, queen c8 check, king h4, queen f5 challenging with queen to queen with Alice Lee, queen takes capture. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine with Rachel Lee. So the best move is easy of this one with challenge queen takes accepted. What a miss her Rachel Lee. If you capture this pawn with queens, king to g5. So almost by this one with upcoming by promotes with a1 queen. So cannot almost by this one with movement here with kings here. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks. And also queen takes a6 with Rachel Lee, and the finishing by second mating net, queen h5 mating net, lost with her WIM. So the score with Alice Lee 2 points and Rachel Lee 0 points. So congratulations by International Master Alice Lee, congratulations. So I will next up this one with quarterfinals by losing bracket. So I will next up this one with soon here. I mean next up this one with losing brackets. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka I Cool Mike 17. Have a good day and don't forget by notification below. Subscribe my Mark Logi 17. Mark Logi 17 Part 1 with English only, and Mark Logi 17 Part 2 Cebuano and Tagalog. So don't forget to view my videos to like up this one with videos my YouTube account. And have a good day and keep updates of this next chess updates. Happy Saturday and bye bye.